Did you know that you could make upwards of $8,000 in affiliate commissions for every single sale that you get? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you an affiliate program that will pay you up to $8,000 in affiliate commissions. I'll also be showing you how to sign up for this affiliate program so that you can get accepted into it, and I'll be showing you how to effectively promote this product so you can make even more than $8,000 from every single sale. And the product that can actually pay you up to $8,000 is called EmpireFlippers.com. Empire Flippers is basically a marketplace where people go to buy and sell their online businesses. Now, as you can see right here, it says the #1 curated online business marketplace. And it says join thousands of customers around the globe who've bought and sold over $450 million plus worth of online businesses. Now, if you keep on scrolling down, you can see that there are literally businesses that are listed on here for literally millions of dollars, and people come over to this website to buy and sell their online businesses like their Shopify stores, their digital product stores, their websites, and many other online businesses that they have. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of this page right here, you can see that Empire Flippers actually has a referral program, also known as an affiliate program. Now, this is actually the affiliate sign-up page, and as you can see right here, it says it pays to partner with Empire Flippers, and it says refer buyers or sellers to us and earn 20% of our commission. Now, this just basically means that if you can get somebody to actually buy or sell their online business on this website, you're going to be getting paid 20% of whatever that business sold for. So if you can come over here to my Empire Flippers account, you can see that there are literally businesses here that are selling for over $3 million. So if you can actually get somebody to buy or actually sell their online businesses using this platform, you will earn 20% of whatever this price is right here. So this just basically shows you that you can even make way more than $8,000 per sale. You can make upwards of even $1 or $155,000 for every single sale that you get, which is really powerful. You can sign up and follow along with exactly what I'm doing in this video. In order to actually sign up for this affiliate program, all you want to do is that you want to come over here to where it says apply now, and you basically just want to click on that. Now, as you can see right here, you just basically want to go over here and check this box right here and basically just click on proceed. Right here, you can see referral partner application, and they're basically going to ask you a couple of questions, and you have to give answers to these questions. So they're going to ask you what your website is, your LinkedIn account is, your Facebook profile, your Twitter profile, your YouTube channel, or if you have a podcast. So you must have at least one of these to actually get accepted into the program. So if you don't have a website, you can put in your LinkedIn. If you don't have a LinkedIn, you can put in your Twitter profile. If you don't have Twitter, LinkedIn, or even Facebook, you can put in your YouTube channel or your podcast link right here. At least you should have one out of all these options right here. Now, once you've put in the required answers right here, the next thing you want to do is that you want to come over here and click on next step, and then you basically want to fill in and answer all these questions in detail right here. So right here where it says, do you have any immediate referrals to make, you want to click on yes. Have you bought or sold any online business before? If you have, you click on yes. If you've not, you can click on no. Right here where it says, have you bought or sold with Empire Flippers before, you can click on yes or no depending on what you want. And then right here where it says, what's your plan for referring customers to us, you're basically just going to tell them exactly how you're going to refer customers to them, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that later on in this video, so basically just keep on watching. Now, right here it says, why will you make a good Empire Flippers referral partner? And I basically just want to tell them that you have a lot of people who you know will be interested in buying online businesses or in selling their online business. And that you basically will be referring them to use Empire Flippers. That's basically it. Now, right here where it says, do you plan on referring buyers or sellers or both, you basically want to click on both. And right here it says, have you ever participated in another referral or affiliate program? If you've joined any affiliate program before, you click on yes. If not, you click on no. Now, once all that's done, you want to move out to the next step where it says, will you be making referrals as an individual or as a business? So you basically just want to click on individual right here, and then you want to click on finish. Now, as soon as you click on finish, it can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for your affiliate application to actually be reviewed. And if you actually pass, you are going to get something called your affiliate link. Now, your affiliate link is basically what you're going to be promoting and sharing to people to actually sign up to Empire Flippers and go ahead and list their online business for sale or buy an online business if they want to. So now once you've actually gotten accepted into the Empire Flippers affiliate network, what's the next thing that you want to do? And that thing that you want to actually go ahead and do is that you want to start getting people who want to buy online businesses or who want to sell their online businesses to do so using your affiliate link and actually signing up for Empire Flippers so that they can do that thing. So now how exactly do you get people to sign up to Empire Flippers through your affiliate link so that you can make 20% commissions and start making a whole lot of money with affiliate marketing? Well, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how to do that right now. One really powerful way to actually get people who want to buy and sell online businesses so that they can actually go ahead and sign up to your affiliate link, and you make a whole lot of money is through YouTube videos. YouTube is basically a search engine, and people basically come over to this platform to look for answers to the questions that they have. Now, if you come over to the YouTube search bar right here, you can see that people are literally asking where to buy an online business, where to buy an e-commerce store, where to buy business acquisitions, right? You can basically see that people are looking for where to buy online businesses. So, if you can literally just make a YouTube video telling people that they can actually go ahead and buy an online business or an e-commerce store through Empire Flippers, and you can tell them to sign up through your affiliate link, you are going to be getting 20% in commissions of whatever they pay when they buy the online business. If you go over to YouTube again, you can see that people are also asking how to buy a Shopify business, right? Or how to buy a dropshipping business. So, these are literally all video ideas that you can literally go ahead and start making, and these videos are very, very targeted, which means that if you can actually get somebody to sign up to Empire Flippers and actually buy an online business or a Shopify business through your affiliate link, you're going to be making a whole lot of money. Another thing that a lot of people always search for on YouTube is how to buy an e-commerce business. So, you could basically make videos around this as well, and just teach people exactly how to buy an online business or how to buy an e-commerce business using Empire Flippers. And then basically just tell them to sign up through Empire Flippers using your affiliate link. And once they do that and they actually go ahead and buy that e-commerce business, you're going to be getting 20% in affiliate commission straight to your bank account. Now, like I showed you earlier, people literally sell businesses on this website for hundreds of thousands of dollars. So, imagine just getting 20% in commissions for that. You are literally going to go home very, very happy with a lot of money in your bank account. And that's basically how you can make up to $8,000 for every single sale with this new affiliate program and this new affiliate marketing method. If you're going to implement this strategy, let me know in the comments section below. Now, if you want to watch more of my really powerful affiliate marketing content, then be sure to click this next video showing on your screen right here.